Hey everybody, it's Larry from Florida Fun Outdoors. Today we're going to be taking a look at the MoonCool TK1 storage bags. I have them installed on my wife's trike. As you can see, they are a perfect fit, very nice quality, easy installation. Also give you some added safety features of the reflective strips that are on them. Same thing for the rear. Very nice material. It's PVC coated nylon. They are semi-rigid, as you can see. Easy to get in and out of. I just have the zippers tucked in. There you go. Ample storage. They should hold up really well. Stop items from falling through. Obviously some small items, your tool kits, anything else you bring, spare tubes, patch kit. We've got quite a few accessories we're going to be installing on my trike today. So let's see what we got here. All right, so when you receive your box from MoonCool, you're going to have the 2 storage bags, just some simple Velcro loops to secure them around the baskets. We've also got a Crank Brothers pump that has a mount that goes underneath your cage for your water bottle. We also have a Faneuil phone mount we'll be doing. I'm gonna change the pedals on mine to some blue ones to add a little color, and I've also got a flag that I'm gonna install as well because we love supporting the USA, and I'm gonna be installing the flag, same flag my wife has. See that? All right, so fairly simple to install these. They basically just drop right in the storage rack. And as you can see, they are a perfect fit. Really, you don't even need to secure them, you know, but it's always wise just in case, you know, you tip over or anything could possibly happen, right? So yeah, that's it. We're gonna have some videos coming your way pretty soon, some new content. Gonna be taking a little ride to a park here shortly. So I'm just trying to go ahead and get the bikes ready to go. All right, well, thanks. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. I'd appreciate your support. And once again, this is Larry from Florida Fun Outdoors, and thank you.